Hi friends, welcome to Arnav. So today it is the 72nd episode in the space series. So today we are going to discuss about another spacecraft to Mercury. So today we are going to discuss about the spacecraft known as Mesenger. Yes, so its name was literally Mesenger, referred after the place of the Roman god Mercury in Roman mythology, which was a messenger god. Yes, Mercury was a messenger god in Roman mythology. So it was based off that name. Great reference. So it was a NASA robotic space probe that orbited the planet Mercury between the years 2011 to 2015. 4 whole years. Yes. So it also did many flybys of other planets too. One flyby to Earth. One flyby of Earth, 2 of Venus, and 3 of Mercury. So next, to study Mercury's chemical composition, geology and magnetic field were the main purposes of this spacecraft. Yes. So first, the chemical composition. If humans can literally live there in the future, if the Earth is destroyed for some reason because of climate change and some other reasons too. Next, geology. Yes, we need to learn the geology because anything can happen. We can learn if there are mercury quakes happening there or any other phenomena like volcanoes, underground volcanoes especially. And then the magnetic field. A magnetic field is literally the most important thing for a planet to have life. Without the magnetic field, the planet is literally gone. The heat from the sun just vaporizes the planet. Yes. So these were the main goal of studying for the Messenger spacecraft. Yes, about Mercury. Next, the launch date of the Messenger spacecraft into space was on August 3rd, 2004. A long time ago. That means 19 years ago. Pretty old. Next, the rocket which sent Messenger into space was the Delta II 7925H. That's a pretty long designation. Yes. So next, the launch site was the Cape Canaveral launch site in southern tip of the Florida state. Yes. So next, it entered service on April 4, 2011. Before that, for literally 7 years, it tried to get there. But finally in 2011, it finally got there. Yes, that's a long time. Next, it was finally destroyed in April 30th, 2015. Guess why? Because it literally crashed into the Mercury's surface. Yes, it just lost control and yes, that exactly happened. It crashed. Next, its path involved a complete series of flybys, which was it flew by Earth once as a gravity assist. So that means it went a full circle around Earth orbit, and almost 1 year later like that, then it just took a gravity assist and went closer to the sun, then to Venus. And from the Earth to Venus. Yes, just planet hopping. Yes. So it went to Venus once and then another time for a gravity assist to be closer to the sun, to the planet which is known as Mercury. And then it will just try to go to Mercury 3 times. Thrice. It did a flyby of Mercury thrice. That's great for just one planet. Yes. So in total, this Messenger spacecraft did a total of 6 flybys. A lot for one spacecraft. And last and finally in 2011, it finally just came into the orbit of Mercury. Yes. So next, it is the second mission ever to fly by Mercury after Mariner 10. In 1975, which also just did the same thing by just torturing Mercury 3 times, flybying. Next, it entered orbit around Mercury on March 18, 2011, becoming the first ever to do so. So that Mariner 10 also didn't come into orbit. So this Messenger spacecraft was the first one to do. Yes, meanwhile there were no other spacecraft which went to Mercury between that time, and these are the only 2 spacecraft which are launched into space to go to Mercury especially. Meanwhile, one of them known as Baby Colombo is still being planned. Yes. So next, it finally successfully completed its primary mission in 2012. Yes. So it also did many other jobs while orbiting Mercury, like taking photos and still inspecting the geography and geology of the planet. So yeah, this is for today about the Messenger spacecraft. Bye.